Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel The Soul Revival. Today, we have something special for our teenage viewers. We will be sharing empowering affirmations to boost confidence and positivity during those crucial teenage years. Join us on this journey of self-belief and growth. Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive into these affirmations together. I am strong, even when things get tough. I believe in myself and my ability to succeed. I am unique, and that's something to be proud of. I am loved and valued just as I am. I choose kindness and respect in my actions. I trust my instincts to make good decisions. I can learn from my mistakes and grow stronger. I am in control of my thoughts and feelings. I am resilient and can handle challenges. I am grateful for the people who care about me. I can achieve my goals with effort and patience. I am becoming the best version of myself. I am capable of handling life's ups and downs. I am the author of my own story, and I can make it great. I am not defined by my past, and I can create a better future. I am confident in my ability to express myself and be heard. I am open to learning from others and expanding my horizons. I respect my boundaries and the boundaries of others. I am a work in progress, and that's okay. I choose to focus on the things I can control. I am deserving of happiness and inner peace. I am surrounded by opportunities for growth and learning. I have the strength to overcome peer pressure. I am responsible for my own happiness. I am mindful of my mental and emotional well-being. I can handle criticism and use it to improve. I have the power to create positive change in my life. I am part of a supportive community that cares about me. I trust the journey of self-discovery I'm on. I am resilient, and I bounce back from setbacks. Thank you for watching our affirmations video today. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Remember, you have the strength to overcome challenges. Keep believing in yourself, and let's grow together. See you in the next video.